Hi guys! How are you? We're here at the Palacio de Maynila. Isa ito sa venues dito sa Manila na talaga namang napakaganda, especially for corporate event like this. Thank you so much for again viewing our channel, Events Republic, the Event Coracha. So tara, let's go. Let's check what's inside. So usually, maaga ang call time ng mga coordinators together with the broad team, mga photographer, videographer, at syempre ang mga stylist. Kanina pa kami mga around 8 a.m. So of course, nag-ingress yung ating mga stylist and lights and sounds mga bandang 12 o'clock. So at this time, ito naman yung ipapakita natin how Events Republic works sa registration. Hi guys! Kaway-kaway naman kayo dyan. So these are the registration team of Events Republic. So ito, meron tayong on-the-day registration. Ang ibig sabihin yan, ito yung mga influencers and mga content creators na mag-register sa mismong day. Kasi meron naman tayong tinatawag na pre-registered. Yan naman yung mga nag-register prior the event, which is last Friday pa. Ganon yung style na ginagawa ng Events Republic para talaga namang smooth sailing ang ating registration. Di ba kuya? Kuway-kuway naman dyan. Okay, so ito naman ang ating mga photo and video team. Kuway-kuway naman kayo guys dyan. So ito ang where's the man behind our live streamers and photographers and videographers. So makikita niyo sila mamaya pag nag-start na tayo. So tara! This one naman is the actual event that we could see. Ayan. So ito yung mga glam bots natin, or ating mga 360. So later on, siniset up nila yan para sa guest influencers, family members na dadating for their pictures, yung typical na na setup. And this one naman, nagsiset-up naman ng ating cocktails, yung ating what do you call this? Hi, kaway-kaway ka naman dyan, ma'am. So ito naman yung ating selfie mirror. Katabi niyan ang, ano nga yung setup natin dito? Grazing table. Yung grazing table for this client, provide din ng kanilang tita na caterer. So medyo may mga personal touch talaga itong event na to. And I forgot to mention pala, this is the event na tinatawag na product launch. So yan, this is a launch ng beauty and skincare products ng Wow Glow. So, hello mga kuya, kaway-kaway naman kayo dyan sandali. So ito naman yung ating team from Lights and Sounds, from Beat Pro. So mamaya, dalawa lang sila, mamaya 20 na sila dyan. Ayan. Mamaya puno-puno na sila. Mamaya pupuno na sila dyan. So ayan. So napakaganda ng ating view, di ba sir and ma'am? So dito tayo. Let's have a quick... mamaya natin interviewin si kuya.
Let's unveil the glow with our brand new products.
Hello, good evening everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Wow Glow Grand Launch event. As the CEO of this incredible brand, I feel so honored to stand with you today to share with you our passion for beauty and skincare. Are meticulously formulated to give the best results. Wow Glow is not just a brand, it is a movement. We believe in transformative power of self-care and the confidence it comes with having a healthy and glowing skin. Discovered that the key to a healthy and glowing skin lies to having a good skincare and starting as early as possible. Wow Glow is here now, and Wow Glow will support you each and every step of the way. As we launch Wow Glow today, I invite you all to join us in this journey.
So it's all about really moisturizing. Do not sleep with your makeup. Be healthy. And use the right skincare.
Kasi naramdaman ko talaga yung creaminess niya. Tapos yung pag nilalather mo talaga sa face mo, masyado siyang malambot. Kaya sabi ko, wow, I found the soap very mild, very gentle, but very magaling siyang magpalambot ng skin.
We want to make sure that everybody that uses Wow Glow can and will achieve their skin goals.
So guys, another successful corporate event, and this time it's a product launch. Halika, tingnan natin kung ano naman yung nag-transpire sa other. So ganito ang itsura naman pagka-egress na. So nagpapakita lang na super successful tayo because ayan, tapos na yung event, andyan pa rin yung mga guests. Kumbaga, ang aga kasi namin natapos. Originally it was 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock pala, natapos kami ng 5 o'clock. So just imagine, tapos na pero marami pa rin guests, diba? Ayan, so ito yung kitchen team. Ayan, so continuation lang naman ito nung kanina. So this is the kitchen team. Sina Tita Vicky ang nandito. Ayan, so ito naman ang egress. Or ito naman yung pagpa-pack up na ng mga suppliers. Ayan kuya, bye kuya, ingat po kuya. Oo nga, di ba? Successful tayo, di ba? Ayan, successful daw tayo. So ito po naman yung caterer natin kanina. So super naubos na siya kasi ang dami nating guests. We are targeting 150 guests pero na-reach natin is about mga 180. Ayan. So ano pa ba mapipicture natin? Actually, konti na lang mapipicture natin kasi nagpa-pack up na nga lahat eh. Kaya super wala na akong masabi dahil ang ganda, super successful with the team, production team, lights and sounds team, photo video team, may live stream, and nakagandahan nun, 3 hosts yung kasama natin ngayon. Nagsama-sama, nag-brainstorm from different groups. Yun yung maganda kapag corporate event. Kapag corporate event kasi, hindi siya ordinary na na pagpa-plan. Meron tayong mga team or mga groups na dapat ini-involve dyan. So, yan, kahit na end of day na, andito pa rin tayo. So, yeah. So, let's call it a successful another event from Events Republic. Thank you so much.